are you at in the CBL process currently?
Right now, we're at the part where we just got the surveys out to 3 schools, and we got some good results back, and we're trying to find the result on how we can fix this problem.
Have you started your implementation? If so, which solution are you using and why?
We started a little bit by coming up with some solutions by like asking teachers if they could teach it more in their class, but we haven't really found one we want to use yet exactly.
What has been your biggest success this week?
Our biggest success is that the other 2 schools that we sent it to sent it out and we got some good results from it, and that was our biggest success.
What have you learned from data this week?
From data, the main thing that we learned is what subjects we need to focus on, certain topics. Some of them, it looked like about 90% of the students understood them, so we're really not going to focus on those, but it really narrows down our search and our topics.
What have you learned from the research this week?
The main thing that we learned from research is just that, like, what we need to work on and what people have worked on in the past and what has worked for them, the different strategies of implementing this. So now we know more on the strategy side of it, how to go about doing this.
What has been your biggest challenge this week?
The biggest challenge this week has been preparing for Christmas break.
What specific tasks need to be completed over Christmas break to ensure the success of your process when returning in January?
Over break, we have to get in contact with business owners in Bremen so we can interviews.
How will you create longevity in your implementation?
We're going to do that by creating an infrastructure and leaving like a trail of all the things we have done so far. So if someone else wants to follow up in a future project, they can.
Okay. Are there pieces still missing from the research from that you hope to find? If yes, what are they?
We're still trying to figure out like more college data and what people like from college want to know more to get like prepared for college and all that.
What has your group learned about your challenge from the process so far?
We've learned quite a bit that our school hasn't really responded much to our research, but luckily we reached out to different schools and they've really helped out, and we've got so many results from them. So right now we're just kind of like looking at those numbers and hopefully we get more in the future.
Any other thoughts?
Right now, no, we haven't really thought of any, but just our main focus is just the data.